Alright, so today we've pretty much got, I think, the biggest unboxing I've ever done. I think we got 8 pairs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, we got 7 pairs of sneakers that we're going to be unboxing today. Of course, a lot of them, or a decent amount, is from Yeezy Day. I think I've got every single package in from Yeezy Day, or the sneakers that I managed to get. So we're going to unbox those. And of course, we've got some Nike hits, which is pretty incredible. And then a pair of shoes, which I had to pay resale on. But the majority of stuff I actually managed to get for retail. Now, you may notice we got a little bit of a different background over here. A little bit of a different setting. Decided to do this one at home. I don't know, let me know what you think. We got the lights in the background. I thought that would be pretty cool. I don't know how much is in frame, how much is not in frame, but we've got a lot. I'm gonna put these down. All right, we better get started because we got a lot to get into. So, you know what? Let's go with an Adidas package. Let's see what the first Yeezy Day pickup was. I don't know what this pair is, because obviously I did get, I think, 4 pairs from Yeezy Day. Okay, it's a 350 box. Okay, so this, I know which one this is. I only got 1 pair of 350s from Yeezy Day. And this is actually one that I'm really interested to see. Okay, so if you take a look at the size tag, that's really interesting. This is an old Yeezy 350 box from like back in 2016, I assume, is when these released. So take a look at that. I haven't seen a box like this in such a long time. So this must be the original. They just had pairs lying around of this pair of shoes. So this isn't my size, like I told you guys in kind of the Yeezy Day recap. This is a size 10, and I only went for it because I got through on the splash page and I was like, I gotta get something from Yeezy Day. I actually have never had this pair of shoes in hand. I mean, it is a little bit yellow, but is that something that comes with a shoe, or is this a lot whiter? Because honestly, I can't really tell because I've never had it in hand. It definitely does look yellow, like a little bit. Let me check the production date. 06/18. So these are 3 years old. Is 2018 the time these released? I can't actually remember. I thought it was like 2017 or 2016. And honestly, these are clean as hell. Just a triple white pair of 350s. It's really cool to have this pair because I never had a pair of creams, and I honestly really wish I managed to get it in my size. But yeah, that is the first pickup. The box is definitely different. It's got all of this kind of Chinese writing on it, which I've never seen before, and that size tag is really different as well. So we'll get these off to the side, and maybe we'll chuck them up here actually. Should we do that? I don't know what's in frame. All right, so the next pair on the agenda, this is, actually I don't have a knife, I need a knife. Alright, so the next pair that we have to unbox, this is one that I had to pay resale for because I do really want to do a review on these. As soon as I pull these out, you're going to know exactly what they are. Of course, I guess let's just pull these out because you already know. Wow, geez, these are crazy. Okay, so this is the Yeezy Waverunner MX Cream Clay. There's a lot going on. Wow, that color is actually really nice. That base color, the cream color, look at that. That's like, if I get my sand pair, it's actually a lot more, I guess, saturated than I originally thought it was going to be. This sand pair is almost like, it's really kind of white if you compare them to each other. So yeah, I thought these look really, really cool. And honestly, they look way better than the rendered images. Honestly, they look so much better. Those rendered images looked kind of like bluish, whereas the mixture is a brown and I guess a gray. There's not really any blue that I can see, at least not like that kind of blue that was on the rendered image. I don't know what happened to the ochre pair. Where is that? Is that still releasing? I don't know, but either way, I'm definitely going to be doing a review on these, so definitely subscribe to the channel if you want to catch that review. But yeah, all in all, I'm not going to spend too much time on this because I am going to save my full thoughts for the full review, of course. Okay, let's get into some of these Nike boxes because you know what? I've been feeling extremely lucky with Nike. I don't know how, but I've hit back-to-back 2 times on the Nike sneakers app, so I'm super excited about that. So we got an all-over black Nike box. Of course, you can see ambush, so I'm sure a lot of you will already know exactly what this pair of shoes is. Okay, you got that that special ambush Nike paper on the inside. Let's check them out. Super bright, super vibrant. I mean, this is the Flash Lime Nike Ambush Dunk. I mean, I gotta say, straight out of the box, they feel really, really good in terms of that leather quality. Let's get that little toe box press test in there. I don't know if you guys can see that on camera, but definitely just a leap ahead, a regular pair of Dunks. If you put the black laces in, I feel like it will break this solid monochromatic flash lime color that they've put on here. I think it'll break it up a little bit and make it look a whole lot better in my opinion. Yeah, super happy with this pair. I like the Ambush Dunks. I really do. I love that Nike swoosh. But why don't we get into another Nike sneakers hit? We got a Sacai and Nike sneaker box. You guys should be very familiar with this one just because they've been releasing so many shoes. Sacai and Nike have really been doing their thing this year. So this is the most kind of recent release, special Nike paper, and here is the Blazer Low British Tan. Honestly, I really like the materials on here, like compared to the first two colorways that released. So we had the Magma Orange and then that kind of, what was it, green something pair. But those two were just solid leather on the upper, which again, I did like. But if you take a look at these, the suede that they added is just ridiculous. It feels super nice in hand. I really like that suede. They covered the entire shoe with it, and then you just get the leather overlays. So the eye stays are made of that soft buttery leather, as well as the Nike swoosh. You've got really nice padding around the ankle area, and I guess the Blazer Low is not going to be for everyone, especially this Sacai model looks very crazy. But in all honesty, I think that it's a really decent shoe for summertime. Now this, I guess, could kind of translate to a fall shoe, but those two first colorways, like I still have my Magma Orange pair, and I've really been liking those. I'm hoping I haven't exceeded my luck because we do have the Travis Scott lows coming up. Right, so we're gonna finish off this Yeezy unboxing. We got 3 pairs left. Alright, so it is perfectly tucked so that I can't see what this is. Oh, okay. This is it, guys. Oh my lord. The Yeezy Waverunner. These are going straight to feet. Yes, I managed to get the Yeezy 700 Waverunner. Look at that. If that's not just an iconic pair of Yeezys, if this just doesn't scream the beginning of something crazy for Yeezy brand, I don't know what does. This has to be one of the, I guess, just one of the most iconic pairs of Yeezys. So yeah, let me know, guys. Did you manage to hit on the Waverunner? Let me see the production date on these. Is this old stock or is this new stock? Okay, 0521. January, February, March, April, May. So these were produced in May 2021 and they were made in India, it says. So new production date on these, which is awesome. So you get a fresh, clean pair of Waverunners straight off the production line if you manage to hit on Yeezy Day. Congrats to everybody that did. I know that there was a decent amount of stock on these. So if you didn't, I would expect prices to fall relatively soon within the next week when people start selling them. So these are definitely going up here in the corner. Let me slide these. So let's see what this is. I got, what else did I get? I got the other 700s and I can't even remember now. This is, okay, yes, this is also another very interesting pair of Yeezy 700s. One that I really don't know how to feel about, but of course we'll pull these open and we'll show you so you can make your own mind up. Exactly what I thought. This is the Yeezy 700 V3 Alva. It's not. This is the Dark Glow Yeezy 700, which is 100% identical to the Alva pair. But you know what? There is supposed to be a different glow. So I'm going to quickly test that out. It is a nice pair of shoes. It is one of my favorite pairs of 700 V3s. So to get one that just has a different glow, and these are going to be a lot cheaper than the Alvas, I guess end conclusion, if you got the Alvas, pass on these. If you don't and you want this one, definitely go for it because it's a lot cheaper than the Alvas. Alright, we got one last package and I believe this is another 700 Boost, and this is the triple black MNVN. No, it's not. This is a pair of Waverunners. Okay, I'm going to have to see why is this another pair of Waverunners? I'm gonna have to quickly check what's going on with my emails because I think I got MNVNs. Like, what's going on with that? Okay, so here's what's going on. I did get a pair of MNVNs, but they haven't been shipped yet, so they're still, I guess, in the process of being shipped. Now, how I have another pair of Waverunners is my girlfriend's account hit, and I didn't even know. So now I have 2 pairs of Yeezy 700 Waverunners, which I'm really, really happy about. I'm definitely not mad at that whatsoever. So we've got a double up on the pair of shoes that I wanted the most. This is like this is incredible. Yeezy Day 2021. Thank you so much for 2 pairs. I can rock one, and I can keep one on ice for when that one gets too beat down and deceased. That's quite an exciting twist to the end of the video. Okay, that pretty much wraps it up for today's unboxing video. Let me know what you guys managed to get on Yeezy Day, and of course, just your latest pickups. Let me know down in the comment section, and of course, thank you so much for coming through, joining me for today's video. Thank you for liking, commenting, and of course, subscribing. I'll catch you guys in the next one, but until then,